Hello and welcome to another video. As you might hear, I'm a little bit, I had a little cough, so yeah, I'm not that healthy at the moment, but nevertheless, we have to work. Today we have a little thing, a little bit something different. It's not a GR Yaris, it's a Hyundai i10. The only thing I'm gonna make this video is, oh yeah, wheels and tires, wheels and wheels. The only reason I'm gonna do this video is just to show you that we have the armrest for a lot of cars. So if you don't have a GR Yaris or anything else, or if you have anything else than a GR Yaris and you want an armrest kit, just drop an email and I'm gonna make sure to check if there's something available for your car. There's basically for a lot of cars, or nearly every modern car which doesn't have an armrest, and where it's possible to install one, it's possible to have one. Let me show you. It's basically the same kit as you get. It's also the same system. He ordered he's a friend of mine, by the way, so that's why he agreed to film it. It's, as you can see, it's not leather. It's, I don't know, fabric. I think it's called fabric, yeah. With just black stitching, and it opens up like the other one. So it's basically the same kit, just with fabric and not leather, and with black instead of red stitching. So you can have, we can have this made custom for your car with whatever you like. Let's install everything. Yeah, so we just installed this one right here. It's the same as in the GR, just in fabric and not in leather. You can also, with this knob down here, you can adjust it however you like, depending on how you sit in the car. Yeah, so that's basically available for nearly every car out there. Also Hyundai i10, the sporty version. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, you can also open it, and it's actually pretty sturdy, so it works quite well. And yeah, it's just a great addition if you want to drive comfortably in your car. So that's a quite short video. By the way, installation took maybe an hour. So if you have never done this, you might need a little bit more. But we have already installed quite a lot of those, so it's a little bit different than from the GR, but the basics are the same. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.